Hey, what's up, Herd? It's Friday, November 22nd. My name is Aaron, and this is your market update. Let's get on into the charts. Bitcoin is running up near 100,000, has hit as high as 99,528, guys. And we are so close to breaching that 100K mark, which will absolutely FOMO retail back into this market, if not already. I know, and I'm sure you do too, that you're having a lot of your friends, your normie friends, your non-crypto friends start to ask you about what's up with crypto as Bitcoin is getting so close to 100,000 and people are starting to talk about it. Of course, we also had Solana get over its all-time high yesterday of $260, got all the way up to $264. Currently came back down to $255, but I'll get into that in a second. I want to continue to talk about Bitcoin and what we got going on with the liquidation heat map. We have a tight range of liquidations above and below the price, guys, so let's see what happens. We certainly have more liquidations to the downside, around $97,000, than we do currently above the price at $99,969. And I do think we could see a downtrend maybe today, maybe tomorrow as we get into the weekend, maybe a quick dump before we go back to the upside, closing in on 100,000 by Sunday or Monday. That is my prediction for now, guys, but we'll see what happens throughout the rest of today. We are getting some FUD from the Russia-Ukraine war, guys, and if more missiles are being launched out of Ukraine towards Russia, I do think we will have some FUD come into the market, at least for a short period of time. Though I do understand that there are already some talks between the new president-elect Trump and Vladimir Putin. Getting into Ethereum, guys, we're down 1.78% over yesterday. We did climb all the way up back to 34.26 yesterday, and I do think we have a little uptick in the money flow, so I am looking positive on the price of Ethereum throughout the weekend. It depends highly on what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin travels sideways, fighting to get through that $100,000 range, I do think Ethereum could launch to the upside, putting in another strong candle of 10% or more. We did this yesterday, guys. We can do it again. At the peak of yesterday, guys, we had a candle over 11% on Ethereum yesterday, and I do think we could see multiples of those going into this bull cycle, especially if Bitcoin trends sideways for some time. Let's take a quick look at the ETH to BTC ratio, which is a great look at what an alt season could look like for us. We saw a break below this long-lasting trend line just over the last couple of days, but we are currently above it, retesting it right now. So I do think this is quite bullish for the price of Ethereum versus Bitcoin. If we bounce off of this support line, guys, I do think we'll be off to the races, heading towards a new bull cycle for the price of Ethereum versus Bitcoin, which would make all of the EVM chain coins go crazy. Speaking of EVM coins, BNB is up a little bit today, did make a decent run of 6% over yesterday, and we are in an uptrend, guys. I'm looking for the next breakout here coming soon, as I do see money flow curling up and to the right for the price of BNB. And like I said earlier, Solana did break all-time highs, got into price discovery for a short time this morning, but was back down below its previous all-time high at 260, currently at 256. Solana money flow is rolling over at the moment, so I do expect this to be similar to Bitcoin, where we're going to ride up against that 260 mark, just like Bitcoin's running up against that 100,000 mark. Maybe we go sideways for a while, and maybe we see Ethereum outperform over the next couple of days. Sweet has cooled off a little bit, although money flow seems to be curling back around to the upside on this. We have come down from all-time highs at $3.95 all the way down to $3.31, currently sitting down 11% from highs at $3.49. If Sweet comes down as far as $3.13, guys, I do think that'll be a great place to DCA into this, as it'll be hitting right on top of the 21 EMA. Getting into the elephant money ecosystem, Trunk down 5.77% currently. However, we saw a massive bounce off of the EMAs, guys, as we crossed past them, and we went 90% up from there. Currently back testing, down about 13% off the recent highs. Whale money flow is currently coming out of this, but I do think this is just a slight retrace coming into the new Futures to Unlimited 2.0 mechanism that BT is going to be launching very, very soon. Make sure to get into the Telegram, guys, and start reading these Medium articles as they explain everything having to do with this transition. In fact, I'll be releasing a comprehensive video soon on all of these different mechanisms from the Unlimited 2.0 marketplace and the futures transition. With that, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more content just like this. We're getting into the holidays, guys, but we will see you again on Monday and Wednesday next week. Have a great day, and God bless.